Hello, welcome to Dairy Goat Farming. We are here and trying to showcase other very innovative methods that you can use to help you increase your household income while fighting climate change. Dairy goat farming is one of the drought resistant animals that you can be able to keep to help you increase your household income. They are drought resistant and they can help you have enough food at home. Please stay tuned here at Sustainable Innovation YouTube channel. Please subscribe so that you can learn more on what you need to do so that you can increase your household income. What you need to do so that you can have dairy goat.
I'm Phoebe Obongo from Alara village in Kochia ward, Rangwe sub-county, Homa Bay County. I am a dairy goat farmer, and the breeds I have mainly two types of breeds. I have the Toggenburg, which are just up here, the Toggenburg, and the Alpine. Now, I do keep Alpine and Toggenburg because they are a little bit more resistant than Saanen. Though Saanen gives more milk, but it is slightly delicate, especially when it comes to diseases. So that's why I have my Alpine here. Now, why did I decide to keep the dairy goats? Dairy goats gives us milk, and they're easier to keep as compared to dairy cows. And their milk also fetches better than that one of the cow. Now, while the milk from the cows are going at around 60, 70 per liter, that one of the dairy goat will go up to around 120, 130, 140, depending on the season. Now, the main reason why I had to get into dairy goat farming is when I had a problem. I went to the hospital and I was told not to use the cow milk, but I was given an alternative to look for goat milk. This goat milk, my body was not able to take gluten from the cow milk very well, so I was advised to get the gluten from the goat milk. And that was the time I realized that even other people who are not able to go down so well with the gluten from cow milk do take that one of goat milk. And that's when I started. Now, keeping the goats are much more easier. They eat, like if you have about 10 goats, that one is equal to one cow. So you can see you are able to get more milk, which will fetch higher price, and the work is not as tedious as that one of the cows. Now, this goat milk, apart from the gluten, it is also medicinal. That is the reason why it's even better to keep the dairy goat. The milk is medicinal. Now, most of the people who come from goat milk from me, because the ones I'm keeping, the milk I'm getting is now much more than what I can use. So that's when I decided also to sell to other people. And I do get referrals from hospitals. I also get referrals from people who have got medical conditions like the diabetic people. They come for the goat milk because the goat milk helps them much better than the cow milk. So that is when I realized also it's better, because the goat, they eat bark of trees, they eat herbs, shrubs like tithonia, other herbs that are very bitter, and that is why their milk is valued more, because it is medicinal and it is better. Now, the way they eat also is light. Even ladies, I would urge other ladies that once you keep 2 or 3 goats, you are far much better than somebody who will have 3 or 4 cows. because the volume of the food the cows eat is much more. So for us ladies, I can urge you to keep the goat. There you will get the milk that you can consume. You can also get the milk that you can give to your family, sell and get more money for the family. The goat milk is also much more better, especially for young children. The children who are malnourished or have got some medical conditions or problems, when they take the goat milk, it's better and they heal much faster. So I would urge people to keep the dairy goat because it is much easier and better in terms of the returns that you get from them. Now, like these ones, in the morning when I do feed them, I would say basically not twice or 3 times, but I do go and get the shrubs. Mine are in total 0 grazing. They don't go grazing outside. I put them in total 0 grazing. That way, they are not going to be prone to diseases. They'll not be able to be attacked by ticks. So I do go out, get for them the shrubs. I do get the tithonia, I get the lucina, and bring for them, and they eat it just from where they are. I don't have to get very big volumes of food for them each day. So otherwise, I would urge those who want to venture into farming that you can venture into goat dairy farming, and that will really help in uplifting food security and also uplifting the economy of the house, because you will sell it, get money, you will use it to feed the children, and it's more nutritious. Otherwise, I'll say thank you for watching. I hope you're going to get one and keep and uplift the economic standards of your house.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something today about dairy goat farming, and you can be able to implement at home, one day at a time. Thanks so much for watching.